Welcome to this Club Manager tutorial. I wanted to do license applications with you this morning. Now the version I'm going to show you this morning applies really for the southwest of England TAGB and I believe the Northern Ireland TAGB guys as they do their license renewals and applications through the Bristol admin team. So I'll do a separate one for other areas, but for the moment just follow this one for the southwest. As you can see, we're into the front here and we've got an easy one to apply for licenses, but again you can do this from the drop down menu and apply for licenses. So you've got two ways in, and same as registers and everything else, you've got various licenses, various students all the way through, and you can pick out which ones that you want to put in. So we can just literally add them or take them out as we want. It will give you a warning you're about to remove someone. Might be a mistake, but let's put those in. And this little option here is just to sort of say, as a reminder for you, because the account system built in, that you can then sort of say yes, they've paid me for their licenses. It just helps with your accounts when you're doing that. Nice and simple, just check through. It'll give you a warning, these are all expiring this month, or these are new ones sat in there, so these need to be looked at as well, so you get a good idea. But at this point I've got these 6 that I want to put through, and all we do is press the submit applications button and it says ready to submit your licenses. These will be sent to the Southwest admin for processing. You don't need to print out any forms. All you do is click OK, and those licenses have been applied for from that point. Hope that helps. Just as the update from that, just what I remember as well, your licenses will then be updated from the Bristol admin team. They have a portal in which they can go through, and what you will see is in the summary that they will come up and put them in for you. So there's no need for you to actually input any data. Someone else will do that for you. Okay, hope that helps. Have a great day.